Let's show you how to publish or unpublish a WordPress website the easiest way using the built-in visibility controls. I'm already inside a WordPress.com dashboard. Click Settings in the left sidebar, then click Reading. Scroll down until you see the Site Visibility section. This is the master switch for the entire website, so it controls every page and post at once. On a new WordPress.com site, Public is usually selected by default. Click Public to make sure the whole site is open to visitors. Now click the Save Settings button. The button flashes to saving and a confirmation appears at the top of the screen. That's the whole publish step. But don't trust the dashboard alone. Open a new incognito window, paste your site address, and load the front page. In public mode, the site loads normally with no login wall. If you still see a login prompt, the save didn't stick. Back in the dashboard, click Settings, then Reading again. Scroll to the same site visibility area. This is the one place people get it wrong. Hidden from search engines still lets anyone with a direct link see your site, so that's not unpublishing. It only tells search engines not to index it. Select Private instead, then click Save Settings. Open the site again in that incognito window. A private WordPress.com site shows a login prompt or a private site notice instead of your homepage. That confirms the site is unpublished from the public. Your admin account still sees it, which is why the incognito check matters. If you don't want to take down the entire site, you can unpublish just one page. Click Pages in the left sidebar, then All Pages. Hover over the page you want to hide, and click Edit. I'm using the About page as an example. Inside the editor, look for the Status and Visibility row on the right sidebar. Click Published. In the small pop-up, choose Draft, then click Update in the top right corner. WordPress hides draft pages from public visitors, but the page stays exactly where it is in your dashboard for later. That makes Draft the right choice for temporary removal. Don't click Move to Trash here because that can permanently delete the content after 30 days. Draft is reversible. Open that page's URL in a new tab while you're logged out. You should get a Not Found or Access Denied message. Back in the dashboard, the page now shows Draft next to its title. When you need it back, select Publish from the same status dropdown. After you unpublish a page, always check your menu. Click Appearance, then Menus. If the page is still listed here, WordPress doesn't remove it for you. A visitor will click it and hit a dead end. Select the item, remove it, and save the menu. That keeps the navigation clean. Posts use the same flow, but they live under a different menu. Click Posts, then All Posts. Hover over the published post you want to take down and click Edit. In the editor sidebar, open Status and Visibility, click Publish, change it to Draft, then click Update. The post now shows Draft in the post list instead of Published. This is the right way to remove a post temporarily without deleting it. Sometimes a draft is the wrong tool. If you want a page to stay published but only for logged-in users, open the page again from Pages, then All Pages. In the editor sidebar, click Public next to Visibility and choose Private, then click Update. The page remains published, but the public gets a login wall. That's useful for team-only pages or client work. If your Settings then Reading page doesn't have a site visibility section, you're on self-hosted WordPress. That version has no built-in whole site switch, so you'd set a front page to draft or use a maintenance plugin. The page and post steps still work without any plugin, so use those for self-hosted sites. When you're ready to bring a private site back, go to Settings then Reading, choose Public, and save it. And always test while logged out, because your admin account can make a private site look normal. That's the exact mistake that makes people think a site is still live when it's not. If this got your site visible or hidden the way you wanted, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to the next person searching the same thing.